Hello people of the internet. If you are constantly using ChatGPT but keep on running into this error, then you are not alone. I love using this tool for content creation, and it is the best thing I have ever seen. I was one of the lucky few that was able to purchase an upgrade plan for ChatGPT, as they are still in the early stages of rolling out their upgrade plans, starting with users in the United States first, before expanding upgrade plans to other countries. If there was a tool that I was happy to give my money to, then this is it. Anyways, let's check out what you get with an upgrade plan. At the time of this video, this release note was just yesterday. It states that the upgrade plan allows you to choose between two models. The default model, which is basically what is being used in the free plan. You also get to choose the optimized turbo mode for increased speed of text generation. Okay, I am definitely sold. Let's head back to the dashboard and buy this thing. So for $20 a month, you will not see any more errors involving the capacity being reached. You will also get faster speeds with ChatGPT. Alright, let's continue with the upgrade. Here's the checkout page. At this time you can only pay with a credit card, and it is a monthly automatic subscription. After payment, you will see this celebration screen. I really hope they keep the price at $20 per month. So if you see the upgrade plan, I highly recommend you jump on it before they jack up the price in the future. Upgrading was easy and will solve your problems with the capacity and slow speeds limits. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel How to Webmaster, as I continue to review and test out ChatGPT and other tools for content creation, internet marketing, and more. Thank you for viewing and have a lovely day.